does have a strong suggestion.
Shoot this fucking bot, bro. See, you go think say they do movement. See, you go think say they do movement. What are you doing, bro? Shoot this fucking bot. I no blame you again. Na the bot I blame. Na the bot I blame. Shoot this fucking bot, bro. Shoot this fucking. Wetin dey do? What are you trying to do? Share this one a movement like this. Wait.
What's up, soldier? Time for a fire sale.
Like, bro think he cooked. What is that fucking thing that you are doing? Is that one movement? Wait with this. Bro, you are a baboon. You are a baboon. Now wait till you be that. You be baboon. Cause wait till be this one. Wait till be this shit where they do. You keep bots. Now you they do emotes for. If they supposed to draw you near, they give you a knock. Monkey.